Opening statements begin today in Harvey Weinstein's New York trial more than 2 years after he was first accused in a case that fueled the Me Too movement. More than 80 women have since made allegations against him. Weinstein faces charges involving 2 women, including rape and sexual assault. Prosecutors plan to call 4 more accusers from uncharged cases. Weinstein denies all allegations of non-consensual sex. CBS News legal analyst Rikki Klieman is here to help us understand all this. So, Rikki, put us into the minds of these prosecutors who say they're going to call 4 accusers from non-charged cases. Why would they do that?
Same reason that they did it in Bill Cosby trial, too, is when you have a case that has 2 accusers, which they do here as the charged misconduct and the crimes, that their cases may not be strong enough when there's no forensic evidence, no physical evidence, late reporting. These cases are old, going back 2006, 2013. So you get 4 others. So there certainly is value in numbers. Now, when you have that, the prosecution says this is a pattern of predatory activity. And what we have to do is see that he always intentionally wanted to harm and attack these women.
Is there a risk to that strategy, Rikki?
There always is a risk to that strategy. Because,
what is that risk?
Well, the risk, of course, is that the prosecution can say, wait a minute. It's really beyond a reasonable doubt is the burden of proof on the prosecution, and it's about those 2 women. And the prosecution knows how weak their case is, says the defense, and that's why they had to call 4 others.
No, we have talked to the defense, to Harvey's defense team, and they seem very confident in their case and how this is going to turn out. And now they're talking about they have loving emails from some of the accusers.
Dozens upon dozens.
Yes. Loving emails, I think, is very interesting, is the term that they use. How effective could that be? Does that matter?
I think it matters a great deal. When you have emails with one of the witnesses saying that they want to introduce Harvey to her mother, another one who says, I have a new phone number, please take
After an alleged assault.
After an alleged assault, and really loving and fond emails that go on sometimes for years. What that is saying to the jury is that these women were not sexually assaulted or they were not raped. However, how does the prosecution deal with that? So the prosecution calls an expert witness. The same expert witness that testified in the Bill Cosby trial very effectively, a psychiatrist who was going to say, in rape trauma syndrome, women will often continue a relationship.
And the
Rikki
jury,
Klieman,
7 men
you.
and 5 women. It'll be interesting to see how they take this case.
Thanks, Rikki.